How to go back in time on Google Maps. First of all, open the Google Maps on your phone. Once you are inside, let's use the search bar to find a location. I will go with this location because it has been photographed dozens of times over the years. Once the location is open, tap the small street view thumbnail in the bottom right corner. This site is permanently closed, but we can see how it looked back in time. So at the bottom you will find see more dates, tap on it. Some previous images will appear from different times, so swipe through the timeline and select one accordingly. And you can see the original street view data. The difference in the buildings, the cars and the skyline is clear. And that's it. This is how you can go back in time on Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.